Hello, my name is Francisco. I'm a medical student at the University of California, Irvine, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the correct techniques to put on, take off, and clean your cloth mask. These masks can be made with materials found all around the house, like this bandana with hair ties.
When I get ready to leave the house, I first wash my hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Next, I grab the mask by the sides, placing the straps over my ears and adjusting the mask over my nose and chin. I will then wash my hands again because I touched my face while adjusting the mask.
Now I'm ready to leave the house for essential activities like going to the grocery store. I just need to make sure that I don't touch or adjust my mask because the virus can be transmitted from the hands to my eyes, nose, or mouth. From now on, every time I touch the mask, I should wash my hands.
When I return home, I take off the mask without touching my eyes, nose, or mouth. I then put the mask in a plastic bag and go directly to the sink to wash my hands. I can reuse the mask several times and wash depending on how frequently I use it. When it's time to wash the mask, I can simply place it in the washing machine with detergent or wash it in the sink with soap and water.
I hope that you find this video useful and that you stay healthy.